Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we're going to be making vegetable soup Efo-Riro. And before we get started, you guys, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Yes, like I woke up this morning, I was really excited that I have 100 subscribers, and I believe that you guys will, the new people will keep subscribing till we reach our goal. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you. So for the pepper mix, I'm going to be using Tatashe, Shombo, and Scotch Bonnet, which is Rodo, and I'll be using 2 large onions. I'm just showing you guys everything before we get started. And for the vegetable, I'll be using Efo-Tete. I think that in English it's called green, and that's my locust beans, which is iru, my offals, my smoked catfish already cleaned and deboned. I have, okay, I'm not done. Oh, yeah, I don't think I'm done deboning it, but it's already cleaned. I have my momo here, soaked and cleaned. I'll be using well, for some reason some people use vegetable oil, but I like to use palm oil, and that's my crayfish and my seasoning cube. So I like to blend my pepper to be smooth. Some people like it roughly blended, just depends on you and whatever works for you. So my reason for always blending it this way actually is because the people in my house don't like to see onion, so I just always have to blend it to be smooth, just so that the onion is well blended. So I'll be pouring my palm oil. You don't necessarily have to make it bleached, but like hot enough. And then I've poured my locust beans. I wash my locust beans. I know some people don't, but I like to wash it just to be on the safe side. So yeah, after allowing the locust beans, which is iru, fry for some minutes, I poured my pepper and I just cover it and allow it to start cooking. So yeah, for my vegetable, like I said, I'll be using Efo-Tete, and I like to blanch it for some minutes. Not, you don't want it to be in the hot water for a long time, so it will retain all the, the flavors and every healthy thing is supposed to retain. So yeah, I just blanch it for a few minutes and pour it out. So I'll be teaching you guys a trick. Well, for the people who don't know, if you want, if just you saw how I poured the hot water out. If I don't pour cold water on it immediately, in fact in some cases you have to even put ice cubes if you have it. If you don't do that, your vegetable will keep cooking, and then it will change the color of the vegetable. It will start like turning dark green, if you get what I mean. So if you don't like your vegetable to look that way, that's a trick. So immediately you pour your hot water and you pour it out, make sure you put the vegetable back in a very cold water. For the purpose of this video, I'm putting ice cubes for you, because actually here in the UK our water is very cold, so I don't necessarily need to put ice cube because the water is cold. But in a very hot place, you might just put the ice cube just so that it stops the cooking. Does that make sense? I'm sure it does. So yeah, you want to like clean your, can you see the sand there? So I'm just going to keep cleaning till the water runs completely clean without any visible sand. Yes, so I'm just going to be keep doing this. You guys can see that the vegetable is still green. Like if I had not done that, it will just keep cooking and it will go dark green, which I don't want. So yeah, I'm just going to keep cleaning it till I'm sure that there are no sand and it is free to, like, for consumption. It is free of sand. Yes. So moving on, I'll be checking the stew base now okay, so at this point I'll just stir it and put my seasoning cube in it. We will put the seasoning cube, allow it to keep cooking So I used like little palm oil, fit farm family. So please, if you like seeing palm oil, you can put a lot there, just the way you want it basically. So it has fried for like 70% fried now. So I'm just going to put in my protein, my everything. This is smoked catfish and my momo, my offals. Mix it and cover it, allow it to cook. So I've not put salt here because the offal had salt, and smoked catfish too is always heavy, it always has salt too. So I just allow it to cook, and then after this after this process of cooking, the next time I come to it, I'll taste it and see, to know the quantity of salt that I need to put. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So yeah, let's continue. Okay, now I'm also going to add my crayfish at this point. Yeah, for some reason I also think crayfish has this salt tastes, if you get what I mean. So that's why I just always put everything first before adding salt. Okay, yes, this is salt now, just little salt, little salt. And then I'll just cover and then come back to it. Few minutes later, you guys can see the palm oil. So it's already fried, but it's not really looking obvious because, like I said, I didn't put enough palm oil. Yeah, so please feel free to use as much as you want, like I said. So now that I am sure that everything is as cooked, I'm just putting the vegetable now, and I'll just put the vegetable, stir it together, allow it to cook for a few minutes, because you don't want it to, like, I still like to have that crunchy, I still like it to retain the crunchy texture, guys. So I just allow it steam a bit before stirring it. Now I've tasted it, I just thought to add a little more crayfish. Guys, I love crayfish, I love it so much, especially in my soups. It just gives this distinct taste. That's why I use it a lot. So I don't joke with my blended crayfish. So now, guys, everything is everything has come together. I'm just stirring it. And yes, guys, please, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, this is a good time to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It's free to subscription is free. And please give this video a thumbs up. I have a lot of videos on my channel that I know that you'll find useful. Okay, so here I'm just adding more salt because the salt is not showing at all. So yeah, I have a lot of videos on my channel. I have 2 secret ingredients for like a really nice pot of egusi soup. If you want to check out that, if you want to know the ingredients, check out my video on how to make the best Nigerian egusi soup. I'm going to drop a link in the description box, or please just check on my channel. I have videos on how to make different snacks, weight loss smoothies, jollof rice. Guys, trust me, my jollof rice video, very nice party jollof rice. Everything is on my channel, guys. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching.